Hello everyone, I'm Omotayo Alemori, a digital lawyer. I'm an intellectual property lawyer and a business lawyer in Lagos, Nigeria. Thanks for subscribing to my channel, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button before we go on. So I'm just here to drop my own opinion, my commentary and a legal advice on the ongoing suit of an on-air personality, Daddy Freeze, who was sued and the court awarded 5 million naira damages against him for committing adultery. Hey, welcome back. For my subscribers, thank you very much. If you're yet to subscribe, don't forget to hit that button below. Subscribe to my channel for legal tips and tools. So quickly, adultery committed in Nigeria is not necessarily a punishable offense in the southern part of Nigeria. However, in the northern part of Nigeria, adultery is a punishable offense. So don't even try it if you are caught. But in this instance, we're not talking about just adultery being the punishable offense. This personality supposedly or allegedly, he has been convicted, tried by court, he was found guilty by the court, a high court, of committing adultery with somebody else's wife. At the time, they were not divorced. That's the petitioner and his wife were not divorced. And this particular on-air personality had an affair or more than an affair with someone else's wife. Now, people have asked, oh, so I can just sue my husband or my wife for adultery and then get away with so much money? No, the answer is a big no. People don't know this. It's not just that there are technicalities to this. If you look out for section 31 of the Matrimonial Causes Act, a court can award damages to a petitioner where adultery has been proven, yes. But there are instances where the court would not award damages. You do not expect to go to court every time and claim damages because your wife or your husband cheated on you or your boyfriend. Hey, no, boyfriend is not included. We're talking marriage here. So if someone is still legally married to their wife, you shouldn't cheat on them. Now, I'm not a marriage counselor or a divorce attorney. This is just what the law says. If you do that and they prove it in a court of law, but damages may be awarded against you. And here in Nigeria, under the Matrimonial Causes Act, the court will not award damages against an adulterer, in quotes, if the petitioner, that's the person bringing the lawsuit, the person trying to dissolve his marriage on the ground of adultery, has condoned that act. Now, you are married to your wife and you found out that she committed adultery and you're like, oh, babe, all right, I forgive you. It's okay. Don't do that next time. And then the next thing, you're bringing a lawsuit against your wife and the adulterer and you're claiming damages. Our law says, nope, you have already condoned that act by your action or by your inaction. You have already condoned that act. So such act, you can't claim damages. Second point I would like you to know is if the adultery was committed 3 years before you filed for divorce, 3 years before you filed for that divorce, you can't claim damages. No. Section 31 of our Matrimonial Causes Act says no. Any adultery, any adulterous act committed 3 years before the suit or later than 3 years. So 3 years within that suit, you can bring it. But 3 years and above, 3 years late. So it's been committed like 5 years ago, 6 years ago, 4 years ago, 3.1 years ago. And then you come around saying, oh, I want to sue for damages. You know what damages are? That's story for another day. That's teaching for another day. But damages are compensation. Damages is the compensation the court awards to you for what you have gone through. Maybe your integrity, you're being hurt, you have been emotionally unstable, you lost so much, you lost money financially, you lost business, you lost your integrity, you lost something because of that act. Then the court can award damages. So imagine the adultery was committed 3 years earlier and you're saying you want to sue for damages. The act says no. Third and last point I would like you to notice this. When you file for a divorce, right, and the ground for that divorce or the facts constituting that divorce has nothing to do with adultery, you can't even claim damages. Or even if you have facts and the court does not dissolve that marriage based on the finding of adultery, then you cannot claim for damages. Yes, because what's been damaged, you can't claim for damage on the ground of adultery, because the court has not dissolved this marriage based on adultery. The court may dissolve the marriage based on other grounds, but it's definitely not adultery, so you cannot claim damages on the ground of adultery. It's like you can't ask for what is not there. The court can't give you what is not there. It's not there. You didn't prove it, so it can't be granted unto you. If you have issues regarding your marriage and you need legal counsel, you should see a divorce attorney. I'm an entertainment lawyer, and this is just something I've been talking about in recent time because of the recent happenings on Twitter, because of the trend about the on-air personality who got sued. And I learned is going on an appeal. Hopefully the judgment is reversed in his favor. But I wait what the court has to say. Okay, so till I come your way again next week, do not leave without subscribing to this channel. A lot awaits you. You need this free legal advice. You're not paying for it. It's absolutely free. All you need to do is hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you get notified when I post legal tips and tools every other week. Yes, and my lovely hair is from my stylist at Divatude. Check them out on Instagram for your luxury hairs at _Divatude_. Thank you and stay safe. Bye.